Tony, I want to talk to you now about job control.
Mm-hmm. Good.
And my example is a casual kitchen hand who finds out their shift for the next fortnight via a text message at 9 p.m. No input, no consistency. They can't plan a life around it. Why is job control such a strong predictor of psychological harm?
Good question. Yeah. So job control is really a core psychosocial working condition. And job control is about having some autonomy, being able to have some agency in how you do your work or the way in which you do your work. And basic psychological needs, when they're not met, it's harmful to mental health. And in this case, with the schedule example, that's a particular form of working time control. So, if you've got kids, you've got other commitments, caring for someone, whatever, it's a nightmare trying to juggle that when you can't predict your schedule. So what happens? Well, you've got worry because you're constantly juggling. Well, what if I have to work when I need to be there for somebody? That's worry, that's energy expended that could be used doing the job or, attending to other things in your life. So these are the general form of job control and the specific one around schedule control. What do you do about this? Well, you try to give the people under your supervision as much latitude to decide how to do their work as they can. Now, there are limits to that, of course, practical limits. There are standards of service or, food preparation, whatever the case may be, and you have to be within those. But, for example, on the floor, front of house, allow your people the latitude to offer a refund for somebody who is unsatisfied and starts getting a little antsy, or to refuse service if they get particularly rude. Or you could say, well, in that case, you got to put your hand up, and the manager needs to be attending and seeing what's going on all the time in order to intervene promptly. So these are just a couple of examples of the forms of job control and what you can do to try to enhance them.